Start video. Hello. Hello, good evening, everybody. It is my request that all of you put your cameras on and put your voice audio on mute. Is it very clear? Please put your cameras on and please put your voice on mute. We begin the session within another 1 minute. That's very nice. Kunal. Hello, Kunal.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Good
Bhavya.
afternoon, ma'am.
Harsh, can I see you? It's nice to see you. It's very nice for a counselor to see a student. Okay? Okay. So let us start with our... Yeah, just a minute. Drishti has just entered. This webinar was at a very short notice. We came up with this idea of hosting the webinar. Actually, I was having a talk with Radio Mirchi, and this RJ, she posed a question that students are really worried after the post Corona times. In fact, Corona is not even still totally gone, because the education was online and the exams are offline. Okay. So, ma'am, what would you say about it? Okay. So now if you ask me, I would say thank God. Thank God the exams are offline. Otherwise, mama will open the door after every 2 minutes and ask, "Theek ho raha hai? Theek ho raha hai? Theek ho raha hai?" Otherwise, also, we are used to offline exams. We are not in a country where there are no offline exams. We are used to offline exams. And whatever a human being is used to, he comes back to it very quickly. So, are all of you comfortable with my talking in English? I hope all of you are very comfortable. There's no problem. Otherwise, also I'll talk in English. I'll talk in English also and talk in Hindi also. Okay. So welcome, Chaya ma'am. Welcome to the session. So this is an introductory session today about our small endeavor to help our board exams, CBSE board exam students. So our CBSE board exam students, that is the grade 10th and the grade 12th students. So we are a career counseling company by the name of Career Trajectory with Monica. And they say necessity is the mother of all invention. So as all of our board exam students have faced a lot of change in the pandemic times. Initially, there was, social distancing, lockdown, online education, no or little physical activity, societal anxiety, what will happen, coming to know this person has had corona, this person is having CADA. So a lot of things, And now, as the Ministry of Human Resource Development has declared that no, there are going to be board exams, and those board exams are going to be in an offline mode. So the corona has now shifted to the societal family pressure of score well. The exams are offline, perform well, get very good percentage. So we are getting many queries, we are getting many reviews, and we are getting a lot of requests for help. Hence, we have organized a series of webinars for our board exam students. To inspire our youngsters, we have named it as mission boards. So board exams have become a mission. Swami Vivekanand ji, who was an incredible Indian saint, said, take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea, and let the brain, the muscles, the body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. So this philosophy of his is the philosophy of focus. Students who would follow this philosophy will undoubtedly succeed. You have to right now focus on two ideas. One, how to score more in our board exams. Number two, how to manage time and stick to daily schedules. So to help you out, we are scheduling the syllabus, and on every weekend we'll be holding a session from the subject experts of that field. People who are presently teaching the 10th class and the 12th class, and who are very much sensitized to the problems and the needs that the children have. So those people, those ladies, and on those gentlemen, those respected teachers of ours, they will be taking the session. They will be clearing your doubts. They will be telling you about the do's and don'ts, that please don't commit these blunders. There are small nitties and gritties. There are small ways of attempting the examination. So how to attempt your examination to score better. So they would be focusing on that, and they'll be fine tuning you too. Also, we would say that they would teach you time management. In a way, then when we say that this Saturday we are going to take up English, ideally you can dedicate, say, 2 hours per day to English and schedule it in a way that your syllabus is finished by Saturday. In the 5 p.m. session, you should have your written set of doubts. If there's going to be a question answer round, there is going to be an interaction where you can put up your question after the lecture is delivered by the teacher. If by any chance we miss on some, there is a time limitation, because you know that the Zoom meeting is only for a period of 40 minutes. So in case there is some kind of, any kind of nitty-gritty left, you can give us a mail of your doubt, which has, either come up during the session, or you had studied well and you had a couple of doubts in your mind. And be reasonable. And you can float those. You can give us an email on Career by Monica. So it's CAREER by BYMONICA. So Career Monica with a C at gmail.com. I would also suggest that this is not the time to sit and cry. So they do not cry over spilled milk. While those who will talk and waste their time about what happened during Corona times, what was missing, and waste their precious time, have a tendency of suffering. We don't want our students to suffer. We want all of you to be really successful. These marks on your board examinations are reflected on your CV one day, and they are for lifetime. Okay, so imagine, everybody knows that 2019-20 was a pandemic year. And if you excel in that year, and if you do really well, or if you have a good percentage, and that CV comes, you're already standing out in the crowd. So we will help you, but even God helps those who help themselves. So you have to help yourself too. Okay. There's a very favorite, there are favorite 4 lines of mine, when I was like studying. And there's this poster called Think. The last paragraph of the poster says, life's battles don't always go to the stronger or the faster. But a man who wins is a man who thinks he can. So if you think that you will succeed, if you think that you will do well, so success happens twice. Once it happens in your mind, and then it happens in your life. So with your focused approach, with your lot of determination and hard work, with your never quit policy, with your refrain, staying away from social media, I'm very sure that you can come out and you can make your family proud. You can make us proud. Okay. So our webinar schedule, for your information, our webinar schedule will be always posted on our website. Reminders of the same, which webinar is going to be hosted on the coming weekend, would be posted from time to time on the social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Quora, LinkedIn, YouTube. All of them are in the name of Career Trajectory with Monica. While our Twitter account is in the name of Career by Monica. We suggest you that you kindly either subscribe to our newsletter if you are refraining from the social media, and or start following us on either of the platforms. Doing so, you would be scheduled, you will not miss the schedule at all. Okay, there are some do's and don'ts when we proceed with some kind of a meeting. So there is a protocol, as our Zoom meetings are only scheduled for a period of 40 minutes. We only have 40 minutes in hand. Please follow the instructions of your subject teachers very intently. Whatever they say, if they say, please come on mute, go on mute. If they say, please put your camera on, please do. If they say, do both, please do. So please follow their instructions. It shows your obedience. It is very easy for them to do so. So during your Zoom meetings, you're requested to keep your notebook, your stationery, and your doubts ready. You can cover your entire syllabus in that particular week, that particular schedule week. So we are scheduled, the schedule of the webinars would be posted tomorrow itself, so that you can start from tomorrow itself, Sunday being the first week of the day. So you first day of the week, so you please start from tomorrow itself. And we know the first week, that is 27th, is going to be for English, CBSE board, grade 10th at 5 p.m. and 12th for grade 12 is going to be Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday it is going to be for grade 10th, and every Sunday it is going to be for grade 12th. It's going to be the same time, 5 p.m. It is from 5 p.m. to 5:40 p.m. And the so the timings are 5 to 5:40 p.m. The first week is going to be the English week. The next ones would be posted tomorrow so that you can follow up. So you visit www.careertrajectorywithmonica.com. Do not forget to subscribe. Let the lecturer speak and deliver her lecture first. Please be respectful. Please, it is a request. Please be respectful. Don't disturb, don't distract, and don't raise hand. Even if you have space to chat, please do not do so till you are asked to write your doubt in the chat. Keep writing the key points and the doubts which are taken up in the session. A question and answer round will be ideally organized in the end. As I have already told you that if some queries are left, they can be sent at careerbymonica@gmail.com, Monica with a C. So our subject teachers will try to answer them at the earliest. Okay. Be reasonable. Do not send question paper. It is only for a couple of doubts that we will be entertaining. Also, any reported misconduct, I'm talking any reported misconduct, which would be taken care of, and that student would not be allowed in the next session. We will block that student who will misbehave, because any misbehavior with any teacher would be seriously taken into consideration. Okay, those of you who have some kind of a change of schedule on the day of the webinar, for example, you have guests coming, for example, you want to go for an extra class, for example, I've also heard lame excuses like, Mom, I forgot to attend the webinar because I slept. So, any kind of change in your schedule, you have to ideally report by 12 noon so we can let the waitlisted students in. So this is a very nice opportunity. Okay. And an opportunity does not knock twice. It is on your onus, is on you how much you avail it. We are going to give our best till your board exams. So the last webinar, it starts on 27th and 28th of February. And the last webinar would be in the last week of April. Okay. So Gautam Buddha inspired the world by saying, all that we are is the result of what we have thought. So let us see what our students come up with. Let us see what they would like to think. Let us see how serious they are about their careers and how committed they are to themselves. Today, I would like to also share a small success mantra, which I have tried with numerous students of mine. And they have, actually improved their percentage drastically. So this is a small mantra, which is called, it's based on a management mantra called SWOC. So S is for strength and W is for weakness, O is for opportunities, and C is for challenges. So, for example, you have to make a list of the strengths of your subjects, that this is the topic I know better, this is the topic that I've done well. Then you make a list of your weaknesses. Now it's like from your good to the better and your better to the best. You start working on your weaknesses and try to tune them maximum, the maximum that you can take, you can take care of your weaknesses and you can improve, by somebody's help or some kind of external help or self-study or doing it again and again and repeatedly. So this is and the weaknesses. And this is how you work on your weaknesses. So strengths you make stronger by re-revising and not being overconfident. You work on your weaknesses also and make them stronger. Then opportunities you avail, whatever opportunities that come, you avail those opportunities. For example, this webinar is a very nice opportunity to understand the perspective of a teacher who would now stand in front of you and answer. This is what is needed, and in a very friendly manner, they will come up with all the hints and solutions. And C is a challenge. Now, to finish your subject in that week itself is a challenge. So you take up that challenge. Oh, okay, this is my English week. I'm going to finish my English. This is my Hindi week. I'm going to finish my Hindi. So that is challenge. Every 5 marks that we gain as the total of the CBSE is out of 500. So every 5 marks that we gain makes 1%. So every 5 marks gaining is 5%. So that means if we work for 5 marks in every subject, it goes to 25 marks. You have already covered your journey from 85% to 95%. For your support, for your unconditional support, our blogs, our newsletters, our social media handles will be flooded to inspire you. But if you truly want to change in your life, you must first be willing to change your own mind. So it's all about your mind power. So you also put your mind power into action. So the introductory session for the webinars are over. All the booking of your slots should be done on time. Ideally, they should be done by Thursday so that you do not miss it. And it is easy for us to schedule also. We have 2 days in between. And the booking should be done through Google Forms. Those of you who are not very versatile with Google Forms, who find it a little difficult to go to Google Forms, they can do their bookings by sending a mail with complete details. When I say complete detail, means name, father's name, school, class, board, and your address with your PIN code, your mobile number, your email ID. So it's your complete, ID, your school ID proof too. Any kind of an ID proof, we get keep on getting things like, okay, ma'am, how do we get an ID proof? We don't have a report card. You get it written from any tuition teacher. You get it signed. You get it written from your parent that yes, my ward is studying in this thing, because we need some kind of certification. We can't let the grade 8 students take up their slot, because there are queries from grade 9 and grade 11 said, okay, can we also sit and can we also hear? So we cannot do that. First attention has to be paid to grade 10th and grade 12th who are appearing for the board exam and who are scared of going back to the offline mode. Okay, we are here to help them with their stress. Okay, so we would always suggest that please oxygenate your mind. Please do some deep breathing. Please chant 21 times of Gayatri Mantra or 21 times of Om. That's really going to help you. Okay. Now, as a team also, we keep on holding, a lot of contests from time to time. So our ongoing contest, which we must inform you so that if you have some time and you want to ease your pressure and somebody's good at sketching. So from grade 9 to grade 12 is one category, in the school and the college students is another category. And we are holding a contest called the National Poster Making Contest for girls. And the last day of submission is 1st of March. So the girls would be getting, the winners would be getting medals and they would be getting gift vouchers too. Okay. Another thing that I would like to share, that being a professional career counselor and being at the helm of the affair, So we also conduct psychometric testing for those students who are very indecisive about their careers. So in case you have any query about what is a psychometric test and how it is conducted, you can give us a mail and we will explain the same to you. Okay, and keep in touch. Thank you. See you. इसमें सबसे बड़ी
If there are any queries regarding the same, you can ping us in the chat of the Zoom.
You can unmute this thing and whatever is your query, you can ask it. Bhavya, you have anything to ask? Kunal, कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? Bhavya?
No, ma'am.
कोई भी डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछो. ओके. जब टाइम मिले ना तो टाइम को अवेल कर लेना चाहिए. ठीक है बेटा, it's like time is like over. It's time for the Zoom session to be ended. So we will take this thing, and for those who want to enroll, please keep on following the website. Okay, thank you.